will discuss about the names of different fruits. Fruits A to Z. Part 3. Let's start. R. R for raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. S. S for strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. T. T for tangerine. T-A-N-G-E-R-I-N-E. Tangerine. U. U for ugni, which is also known as the Chilean guava. U-G-N-I. Ugni. V. V for Valencia orange. V-A-L-E-N-C-I-A-O-R-A-N-G-E. Valencia orange. W. W for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. X. X for Xarello. X-A-R-E-L-L-O. Xarello. This is actually a variety of white grape which is particularly found in Spain. Y. Y for yellow guava. Y-E-L-L-O-W-G-U-A-V-A. Yellow guava. And the last one on our list for the day is alphabet Z. Z for zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I. Zucchini. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of fruits. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.